Hey guys, it's Will here. I'm just by my raised beds and a little trellis here. Thought I would show you. I'm just going to dig up some radishes, and I planted those a few weeks ago in between tomatoes and peppers and that. So, and also going to show you some of the Oregon Tooth sugar snap peas. You can just eat them right off the vine, but I'll just show you. They're growing like crazy right now. All right, let's check it out. So hopefully you can see the radishes here, and they do well when they're spaced out. I don't always space them out as great as I could, so I'm just going to pull those out. You can see here, you can eat the radish greens too, but these are pretty good size. If they get close together, they tend to be smaller. I'm going to pull these ones, just kind of look at the size of these. Sometimes they're a little bit too close together. Let's see what we have here. They can sit in the ground for a while, even if they're ready to go. Let's see if I can see any other ones. Here's a few here. Look at this one, right? Nice big one. Getting hard to reach those ones, so I'm going to go over here. And in between these tomato plants, tomatoes aren't quite doing well right now. Oh, kitty, how's it going, buddy? My little garden kitty, Kemo. He likes to sometimes eat the grass on the edge here if I don't edge trim it. And yeah, how's it going, buddy? You want some radishes? Let's take a look here. So it's not too big. I'm gonna go around the other side. Hey kitty, you wanna go around the other side? It's hot. Oh, it's pretty hot today. Oh, he's rolling upside down. Okay. Yeah, lazy boy, huh? You're a big lazy boy. It's so fun to be outside with the cat. Having fun. Anyways, I'm gonna come around the other side. Ooh, got some tomatoes here, green. Just take a look at these radishes. These aren't too big. Pull a few weeds out as I need. I got some more radishes here. They kind of stick out of the ground so you can get a sense of how big they are. Here's a big one. Look at that one. These are pretty good. I find when you put them in the fridge, they kind of shrink up sometimes, so you don't want to leave them too much. I tend to eat these fairly soon after picking. There's so many. So I just put these in between other stuff, just to fill in the gaps, because they grow quick. You can even pull them out before the other stuff around it gets big. I'm probably going to yank my peppers because they're not very big. We had a bad spring, so okay, so that's not bad. I'm going to show you these. These are the sugar snap peas, so I just pull them right off. There's so many because I put a bunch in. You can stagger them too. You can plant, same with the radishes, you can plant them every few weeks, and then you'll get continuous blooms if you don't want them all coming out at once. Let's see. These things can sit on the vine. You don't have to pull them right away. Let them get bigger if you want. But sometimes they start to curl, and then the peas inside will get bigger, which is fine. But I like to eat them when they're flat. There's one here. Nice size. Sometimes you have to look around because they're a little bit tricky to find. Sometimes they're underneath a leaf or hiding a little bit. There's some here. I go around this side. See stuff hanging down sometimes that I couldn't find. So here's a nice group, a little handful. You can eat that. And there are the radishes. And there's more in the garden. I'm just going to leave them. Hope you guys like that. I encourage everybody to grow their own veggies. Here's some, I showed you guys this before, but so this kale, I'm kind of letting it get eaten There's one here, you can see people tell me about their bugs. They get eaten, but sometimes I've cut a bunch of these already. But there's kale over here too. So I'm gonna freeze some of that for the winter. Actually, now I can see some more peas hanging here. So I try to get the big ones. I'll just eat these. Here's another big one here. Just eat these right off the vine. Hope you guys like that.